Deep in the heart of northeastern Australia, beyond the beaches, past the Great Barrier Reef, lies a world untouched by time. A place so ancient, so mysterious, it predates the very first dinosaurs. This is the Daintree Rainforest. But what secrets does it hold? And why, after more than 180 million years, has it remained almost unchanged? The Daintree Rainforest is not just a forest, it is a living fossil. A world where nature has defied time and preserved species that have survived for millions of years. Every leaf, every branch, every sound whispers stories of an ancient earth. But to truly understand its wonder, we must go back, not just centuries, but to a time before humans ever walked the earth. Over 180 million years ago, while the continents were still shifting, the first seeds of the Daintree took root. While elsewhere, vast jungles turned into deserts, glaciers swallowed entire ecosystems, the Daintree stood strong. And today, it remains one of the last untouched rainforests on Earth. A place so rich in biodiversity that scientists believe it could hold cures to diseases we haven't even discovered yet. Step into the heart of the Daintree, and you are stepping back in time. The trees? They are not ordinary trees. Some, like the idiot fruit, have been around since dinosaurs roamed these lands. Their seeds so toxic that only prehistoric creatures could eat them. And then there are the animals. High above, the southern cassowary moves like a shadow through the undergrowth. This prehistoric bird, with its striking blue skin and dagger-like claws, is often called the world's most dangerous bird. With a single kick, it can slice through flesh. But the real danger? It's not the cassowary. It's the fact that this rainforest is vanishing. For millions of years, the Daintree has stood strong against time. But now, it faces a new enemy. One far more destructive than anything nature has ever thrown at it. Deforestation, climate change, urban expansion. Bit by bit, this ancient paradise is being chipped away. What would happen if we lost it? It wouldn't just be the end of a forest. It would be the end of a living history book. A loss greater than we can even comprehend. But all hope is not lost. Thanks to conservation efforts, the Daintree still stands. Scientists, environmentalists, and indigenous communities are working tirelessly to protect it. The Kuku-Yalanji people, who have lived here for over 50,000 years, call the Daintree their home. To them, it is more than a forest, it is a sacred being, and they are fighting to keep it alive. And we can play a part too. The Daintree has survived mass extinctions. It has survived the rise and fall of entire species. But will it survive us? Or will it become yet another lost wonder, reduced to nothing more than memory and The answer is in our hands. Because in the end, this isn't just about saving a rainforest. It's about saving a part of our planet's soul.